Blackie, are you in there? No, please, stay back! Just get away from me! Blackie, calm down. It was just me. Oh, B12. I thought you were the train from the scrapyard. I beg your pardon? It was that engine what I saw last night. And it looks like Donald or Douglas. And he has some sort of short name. But he had such a dark gray face. Don't worry. That engine can't hurt you. Her name is Caledon. You know, her short name was Caledonian. Wait, are you sure? Of course! I saw it last night, and I'm still here one piece when I was young. Now come on, let me take you into Croven's Gate, and then you'll feel better. Oh, thank you, B12. And I'm sorry that I was swanky. I hope you can forgive me. That's alright, Blackie. I'm sure it was just a trick, right? Yeah, I know exactly. I thought there's gonna be fake ones when I just saw you. You can say that. So, feeling better? Oh, I feel fine, thank you very much. I knew it, you might be in disguise as a ghost engine covered in flour, whatever that is. Especially for that engine, who always trying to scare them. Except we'll probably see things from spooky look on different mainland country. That's alright, Blackie. Let's just say we're gonna making a misunderstanding. What was that? It sounded like screaming in the forest. So, can you follow the tracks so I can follow you? Nah, I'll manage. I better find out what is going on in the forest. Alright. You're the one that's you making a mistake, not me.